All right, today is April 24th, 2024. We're doing a repair for Gary Crawford at 3212 Marsh Lane Way, Raleigh, North Carolina 27610. Here is the shingle I'm going to be attempting to repair. See, the shingles above it are very poor condition but not damaged. Let's go ahead and attempt this repair. The shingles are in very poor condition. The nails are ripping right out, ripping the shingle as I pull them out. That's the lower four nails. Let's get the higher four nails. Being very careful not to lift the shingles too high. That should be all of them. Got one more. All right, let's get this shingle out and slide the new one in. All right. We'll use roof snake to put the nails in to prevent from having to lift the shingles too high. Let's go ahead and start with the bottom four. One. Two. All right, already you can see shingles above becoming creased here, 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 and here as well. We still have the higher 4 nails to put in, and this repair has already failed. Let's finish up here. All right, so as you can see, attempting to repair this one shingle has damaged 1, 2, 3, 4 shingles. Attempting to repair all of the broken shingles would just result in probably over 100 more shingles needing to replace. This roof has failed a repair attempt. We will be sending in an estimate for full replacement. Thank you. Have a good day.